This video is created in partnership with Bob's Red Mill. Hey guys, Chef Billy Parisi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite recipes, halibut fish tacos. When I make fish tacos, occasionally I'll make my homemade tortillas. I'm going to use Bob's Red Mill masa harina. It's perfectly ground to give me that nice, smooth, crispy corn tortilla. So what you want to do is mix together the masa with a bit of water and salt. And masa harina literally means dough flour, so it is specially treated corn that's sort of dried out and then finely ground up. And we get this beautiful dough with water and salt, and then you want to form it to about golf ball sized balls, and this will be used as our tortilla. And once they are all formed, we're just going to throw a towel over there and let them rest for about 10 minutes or so. And hopefully you've got a press that will allow you to make these corn tortillas. And the best way that I know how to do that is by using 2 plastic bags on the outside of the corn tortilla. This helps it to not stick at all. The last thing you want to do is be spraying this cast iron corn tortilla maker constantly with nonstick spray. So go ahead and use some plastic bags in between. And then once we have all the tortillas made, we want to just cook them quickly. I've got a griddle, so it makes it really easy to do that there. Maybe 1 to 2 minutes per side, and you get this really beautiful, crisp tortilla. And there's nothing like homemade tortillas. Just like bread and pasta, same thing when it comes to tortillas. I'd love a salsa with these halibut fish tacos, so I'm going to make a quick mango salsa. And you can absolutely feel free to use other fruits like papaya or even pineapple. I think the mango adds a really nice flavor to go along with it. So I'm just going to cut up some vegetables as finely diced as I can. And once we get everything over into a bowl, it's always important to season the salsa with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice. It's going to help cut some of the heat in the onion and the jalapeno so it's not overly spicy. So go ahead and mix it together until it's completely combined. You may need to throw a little oil in there just to loosen it up a little bit. The next thing we're going to do is make a little spice blend for our halibut. So I've got a couple of nice spices and herbs that are going to go really nice with the fish. Just going to combine them together with a bit of olive oil. Season it very well with sea salt too. And we want to make sure that it can get all these good flavors onto my fresh halibut. Got about 1.5 pounds or so, and you can absolutely use fish like cod or mahi or snapper would be really nice with this. And once you get that griddle nice and hot, we're going to add our fish right back on there. The goal is to cook it completely through so it flakes apart and we can put it right into our taco shell. Just get that beautiful golden brown. Take the time to cook the fish. Don't be too antsy about flipping it. Got a beautiful white flesh and that nice, perfect outside. So to plate up, I'm just going to simply serve our warm tortillas up with some limes. Add in the cooked halibut. See how perfectly brown that is. And I've got some cabbages, red and green. Get a really nice crunch with the halibut with this. And to cut everything, of course, that beautiful mango salsa goes right in. The colors are gorgeous. And I finished with Queso Fresco. You can use cotija cheese. Even manchego would be really good. Well, guys, that's all I've got for these nice, quick halibut tacos recipe. Hope you enjoy it. If you're looking for more great recipes and ideas, head on over to billyparisi.com.